Hello guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're coming across my face or this channel for the very first time, my name is FaithOjone. Guys, we have good news in the building. This channel is officially monetized. I got monetized this week, okay? Officially, my channel is part of the YouTube partner program, and I want to say a very big thank you to you guys. Like, you guys made it possible. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Because of you, I get to monetize my videos now, and a big thank you, okay? Thank you. My shout out today goes to a very special and wonderful supporter, and it's also a friend, but I want to say thank you Adewale, for always watching my video. Like, thank you. Like, you've been with us. Why am I saying us? It's just me, right? Yeah, okay, you've been with me since my channel was even less than 100 subscriber. You keep supporting, you keep watching, you keep engaging and commenting on my videos. So I want to say thank you so much. Thank you Idris. Thank you so much. Okay, I know it's the longest shout out ever, but because you're special, we have to, emphasize. Anyway guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my last day at Amazon. The thumbnail, that's what brought you here. Oh, this is an emotional video. It's so emotional. Okay, not that emotional. But guys, I'm gonna be sharing some clips with you now on my last day at Amazon. And I will tell you that my last day at Amazon, I gave it my best, guys. I was one of the best store for the night. I was happy to leave. So when you're doing your last job, I was doing it with all joy, with all pleasure. I was stowing very fast. I was one of the top storer for the night, that night, like my last night. So today is my last day. I'm documenting. Okay. Hey guys, so today is my last. Okay guys, meet Philip, my adorable friend. I met him here. And today is my last day, so yeah. Will you miss me?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, yeah. Hey guys, meet my amazing friend. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you. So today's my last day. Tell me, what do you think? Are you gonna miss me?
Oh, very much. In fact, we don't want it to leave.
I know, right? Oh, thank you.
Something about it felt like I've been waiting my whole life. Is this so? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels
Hey guys, so in today's video I decided not to fast forward it because I want you guys to see the exact pace at which I work. Okay, so in our warehouse they recently changed the number of packages you're supposed to store per hour to 300 packages per hour, which is to say you're supposed to store minimum of 7 packages per minute. I'm not sure, but I know you're supposed to store at least 300 per hour. And you know, when you're trying to store very fast so you can get your store rating up there, you will not focus on your body posture. So I will tell you that those bags below are the hardest to store because you have to bend your back, and that hurts the back, honestly. So if you're storing, and I would advise you to focus on your posture because it is very important. If you don't, you're going to be the one to feel it, you're going to be the one to suffer it. Okay, so do not take your body posture seriously. And I know it is not easy when you're trying to store very fast and you're trying to get your store rate up there, but again, you're going to be the one to feel it at the end of the day. So storing packages down, those bags below, is the hardest, I must say. But you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. Anyway, I'll just allow you guys to watch the video now. Okay, enjoy.
Ooh. Thank you so much, yo.
Thank you. Yeah guys, I'm done with Amazon. My last day here. What are you smoking? So guys, now that you've seen my last day at work, I'm going to say that I will actually miss some people. Working at the Amazon warehouse, working at my warehouse, I would say is one very good experience, being that this will be my first job in the UK. Okay, I work with this warehouse for 6 months. Okay, this is my 6th month and I left. So guys, I'll be making another video and telling you the reason I left. Okay, so if this video was helpful or you find this video useful, please kindly give it a thumbs up. You know, give it a thumbs up, okay, so that more people can see the video. Comments, tell me what you think. And I must say, if I'm given the opportunity to work at Amazon again, not the warehouse though, no, I can't kill myself. If I'm given the opportunity again to work at any Amazon I will gladly take it. Like, I would say, like, the working environment and everything about Amazon is so amazing. The people, my colleagues, like, I miss them. I miss you guys. If you guys are watching this video, just know that I miss you. I miss all of you. Like, you guys are so wonderful. You made my time at Amazon fun. You made, like, you know, when you're working and the only pressure you're getting is from the job, not from the people around you. That was everything. I'm going to give you guys more details on why I left and everything you need to know. And I'm also going to share with you guys career progression as a warehouse associate. If this is something you want to see, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, put on the notification bell so you'll be notified when the video comes up on my page. Okay, now that is all for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao, bye.